guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious blueberry muffins. They are so good and easy. Oh my goodness, you and your family are going to love them. They don't have a ton of sugar in them. They're not going to weigh you down. They're going to be the fuel that you need to get through your day. Let's get started. Alright guys, for this recipe you will need a muffin pan, non-stick cooking spray, coconut flour, chia seeds, eggs, coconut oil, honey, vanilla extract, salt, and baking soda. We can't forget the best part, the blueberries, of course. And then the only tool that you're going to need is just a hand mixer. So that is everything that you'll need. Let's go ahead and get started with these delicious muffins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees so that can get started. And then go over to your stove and put a pan on probably like a low medium heat, and go ahead and put a half a cup of coconut oil in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and melt this coconut oil down. So go ahead and transfer your melted coconut oil into a small mixing bowl and just set it aside for now. We'll use it here in just a moment. So go ahead and coat your muffin pan with non-stick cooking spray. Just give it a nice good coat. It needs it so these muffins don't stick. So grab a large mixing bowl and add in a half of a cup of coconut flour. Then add a quarter cup of chia seeds, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix that up really well and let your child mix it up a little bit for the fun of it. Once you've done that, then go ahead and grab that medium-sized mixing bowl with our melted coconut oil in it. And add in your 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go ahead and crack all 6 of your eggs. Go ahead and beat all of this together, and then add in your half a cup of honey, and then just mix it really well together with a fork. Make sure you scrape out every last drop of that delicious honey because it is so good in this recipe. Alright, so go ahead and get your hand mixer out, and you're going to just slowly pour in your liquids with your dry mixture. So pour in about half and then mix it up really well, and then go ahead and pour in the rest of it. And just make sure this gets good and mixed. You don't want to like over mix it or anything like that, but just blend it up really good. Now that that is all mixed in there, we're going to go ahead and add in our blueberries. I've got 2 cups of frozen blueberries that I did thaw out. If you're using fresh, you can do about a cup to a cup and a half, but really it's up to your preference. Like, I've made this recipe with 3 cups of blueberries because my husband and son love blueberries, and it's delicious. So go ahead and put your blueberry muffin mixture into your muffin pan. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. I set my timer for 15 minutes, but I just watch it really close after that. Sometimes it takes, 15 to 20 minutes, just depending on how, large your muffins are. But mine took about 18 minutes here. So now that they're done, let's go ahead and pull them out of the oven and take a look. Oh, these are gonna be so good. This is a new family favorite in my house. Like, it is, the coconut oil with the blueberries is so delicious, but then you've got the chia seeds in there that's like hiding nutrition. So when you eat these, you can tell that it's like a really good, like hearty, delicious meal. Like, you're doing something good for your body when you eat this. And I don't know if it's like the coconut oil with the blueberries and the chia seeds, but it is so good. This pan will not last at all in my house. So, but we're gonna pull these muffins out, check them with a fork, make sure it comes out clean. Once it does, go ahead and transfer them onto a plate or either a drying rack. We want to get them out of this pan because there is quite a bit of coconut oil in there, and if it sits in there, it will get soggy. So just pull them out as soon as you get done with them and let them cool. So let's take a closer look at these delicious muffins. Alright guys, so that's how you make these delicious blueberry muffins. They are so good. I hope you love them as much as we do. If you would, hit that subscribe button down below and the bell so you get notified when I post new videos every single week. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Rise. How many of these muffins have you ate today? 4? Can you tell everybody you've eaten 4 of these muffins so far today? Are they good? Yeah, okay.